We got new promo, guys. We got Trailblazers promo. We got some busted looking cards, man. So, got just under 30 packs. So, let's rip them open and see if we get lucky with one. Alright, we got some little small packs. So, no, not good. Is that, Adams, right? Yep. Bruno Gold Players Pack. Austria Striker. Inter Milan. I'm hoping we get as lucky. Oh, and guys, we got some pretty busted packs. So we'll open these for last. Got 2 rare mega packs. So we'll open those for last. England, Striker, Kane. Isaac or Wilson? It's Wilson. I gotta be careful not to open those. France, give me Striker. Oh, wait. Thought we were gonna do it. Mbok. A2 plus rated player. Come on. Spanish, left mid. Okay. This rating has gone down since last FIFA. Alright. Got this little baby pack. Italian, center back. Luis Felipe. England, striker, give me Bayern. Or is it Wilson or Isaac? No, Isaac is Sweden. I'm sorry, guys. How are you guys liking the gameplay so far? Like just playing the game. It did take a minute to get used to for me. I'm starting to get... Okay. What was I saying? It did take me a fat minute to get used to defending. Still having a hard time with it, but I'm a lot better than I was the first day of this game. But gameplay feels a lot different than last FIFA. I haven't really got anything too crazy yet. Hopefully we could pick it up for you guys soon. It's already down 10 packs. So, German, Cam, Marcus Royce. Oh, okay. Brandit. I believe that's how you pronounce his name. I think of Pie Face with he's all like, oh, that's class, and it's Brandit. German, CDM. Give me. Oh, I was gonna say, give me Real Madrid. Do I have her? I think I do. We do got a lot of these 80 plus rare gold player packs. I don't know if they're juiced or not. I guess we'll find out. Argentina, give me. Oh, come on, man. Just one time. Give me the GOAT. Instead, we get Rodriguez. I believe, like, all these packs are untradeable, so I won't be really making any coins. Spanish. Striker. Iglesias. Kinda looks like a caveman. And we're already down to 15 packs, huh? Alright, 82 times 2. Italian, center back. Roma. Mancini. Alright, we're gonna do these 80 plus gold players. Japan. Cam. Who's this? Kamada. Okay. Scottish left back. Real Soledad. Tierney. Nothing, man. These 80s are not that good, huh? At least for now. Italian, another Italian. Giorgino. Alright, it's not what we want, but we're getting a lot of 83s, which you can't complain too much about. But still, you want... we still want that wow pack. Alright, come on. Oh yeah, it's Torre. This pack opening's it's been shambles. We only got 9 more packs. We've opened 20, and we got really nothing. Give me a striker. Is this the women's league? Yeah. I'm getting a lot of dupes. Alright, this is my last 80. That's Australia, right? I think it's women's league? Yeah. Ford. Okay, 84 rated. I think that's been our highest rated card so far. Oh. I think this is the 3rd time I've got her in like 3 pack openings. Alright, another 84 card. Can't complain too much, but come on, man, we need the juice packs. We're only down to 5. Give me a striker. Let me know how you guys know if it's a walkout. I saw a video on it, but I forgot, and I kind of don't want to know. Davies? Oh. BS young boys. That team's gonna win the Champions League, no doubt. No doubt. One more before we get to the big ones. Sancho? Or Rashford? Oh! And Rashford is a left wing anyways, so. Alright, we'll start off with the rare players pack. So, come on. We'll take Alexander Arnold. We'll take him. 86 overall. That's by far our best rated card. But it's not what we're looking for. It's not what we're looking for. We need one of those promos. And these are the packs to do it, man. These are the packs to do it. Come on. All right. Our last pack. Give me something. Croatia. Give me Real. Give me Real Madrid. Come on. We got Modric, baby. Woo! Okay. I'll take that. He's gonna fit perfectly in my squad. That's sick. All right. All right. Whew. We got something pretty decent. You know, I would have thought he would have gone for a little bit more. But hey, he's a world-class player. Ballon d'Or winner. Take that. I'll take that any day. All right, we are literally gambling. 1 out of 4 player pack from Team of the Week. Come on.
Bruh.
Cheese and rice, dude. That's disgusting. EA, come on. You gotta do better than that. Holy smokes, look at that. And you got this one too. Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it. Alright guys, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna open both of the Trailblazers pack. Start with the smaller one. We got 10 attackers, 10 midfielders, 10 defenders or goalkeepers. And all of them are rare goal players. And we also get a lone pick of one of the Trailblazers for 14 games. And of course, they are all untradeable. So whatever we get, if we get anything good, we cannot sell. But hey, let's just try our luck. Let's do it. Give me striker. Dembele! Dembele!
No.
Alright. I'll take a Dembele. Was he on the promo last week? We got him. Oh, and we got Rashford. We finally get Rashford. We got 15 dupes. Oh man. Let's see what we get for our loan. Come on. Gotta at least give me one of the top players for the loan. Alright, I'll take that. I'll take a Dembele. How much does he go for anyways? Alright, too bad. This damn it, dude. I wish these were tradable. Oh well, how much is Rashford? Oh my gosh. Those two players are like 300, almost 300k. That's pretty sick. Alright, well, I will do something with these dupes and we'll continue on. Alright, so those players, I made another Team of the Week player pack. Can we please...
Bruh.
What club is this?
Hey, what's going on?
Oh my gosh, EA, come on. You can't be screwing me over like this. That is rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Alright, we're going to do it. Premium Trailblazer pack. 10 attackers, 10 midfielders, 10 defenders or goalkeepers. And all of them are rated 82 or higher, so we should get something juicy. Let's rip it open, come on. Please. We got one. We got one. Who is it? Kane? Is that Kane? That's a double knockout! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so like Kane! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's go! Come on! Oh my, look at that card! Let's go! Oh, what a pack! I'm sweating. It's definitely a party! Let's go! Come on! What a pack! Oh, wow. That's what I'm talking about. A double walkout to end it. Holy smokes. Guys, this deserves a like. Wow. What a way to end it. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating, guys. Harry Kane, Salah, double walkout. What a pack. Let's see what we get for our loans. Ruben Diaz, we'll take a Ruben Diaz. And we'll take Lorenzo. Wow. Double walkout. I'm excited about that. Holy smokes. Alright guys, so here's the team so far. Obviously, I still have some upgrades, but we got some big cards. And I did the Hector SBC. So, man's handsome. He is so handsome. But anyways, we got the big card Salah. Holy smokes. And then we got our Harry Kane down low with Dembele. Wow guys, if you guys enjoy, leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.